Hello, welcome to the course of computer network. So today we are going to discuss about the transmission mode. So in this chapter we will discuss about what is a transmission mode, then we will discuss about parallel mode and serial mode, then the type of serial mode, and last we will discuss about the type of communication channel. So starting with the very first, that is what is a transmission mode. So it is a mechanism of transferring of data between two devices connected over a network. So these modes direct the direction of flow of information, and it is also known as the communication mode. So here these transmission modes are divided into two categories: serial mode and parallel mode. Serial mode, here one bit is sent at a time, whereas in parallel multiple bits are sent at the same time. Whereas the serial transmission mode is further divided into asynchronous, synchronous, and isochronous. So starting with discussing about the parallel transmission mode. So it is a transmission mechanism that transfers multiple data bits at the same time over a separate medium. So it is used with a wide medium that causes multiple independent wires, so that the signals on all wires are synchronized so that a bit travel across each of the wire at precisely the same time. Here, to make the installation and troubleshooting easy, the wire of the parallel transmission systems are placed in a single physical cable. Advantage of this system is that it provides the high speed of transmission, but the disadvantage is that the cost of installation is very high. So this is the diagram that is showing the parallel mode of transmission. There are different wires are connecting the system 1 and system 2, and one bit is sent over to these different wires. So this is providing the fast transmission of the signal from system 1 to system 2. Next we will discuss about the serial transmission mode. Here in this mode of transmission, only one bit is sent on a medium at a time. The bits are organized in specific order before sending. They are reassembled at the destination. Here the bits are marked according to the least significant bit and the most significant bit. Here the advantage of this system is that it has a low installation cost and provide the low noise signal, whereas disadvantage is the low speed of transmission. So this is the diagram defining the system 1 and system 2 that are connected through the serial mode of transmission, and one bit will transmit at a time from system 1 to system 2. Next is the serial mode are divided into three main categories: asynchronous, synchronous, and isochronous. So in this asynchronous, here the data bits can be sent at any point in the time in asynchronous serial transmission. Here the stop bits and start bits are used between data bytes to synchronize the transmitter and receiver and to ensure that the data is transmitted correctly. Here the time between sending and receiving data bit is not constant, so gap are used to provide time between the transmission. The advantage of this is that it is not synchronized, no synchronization is required, and it is the most cost effective transmission mode. Whereas disadvantage is that the data transmission is very slow. Here in synchronous part, the data bits are transmitted as a continuous stream in time with a master clock, and the transmitter and receiver both operate using a synchronized clock. Advantage is that it provides the fast data transmission with less timing error and it provides the high accuracy. Here in its disadvantage is that this is a more expensive transmission mode, type of transmission mode. Next is isochronous. It is used in the process where timing coordination is merged, and such as for the voice and digital video transmission. Isochronous ensure that the data must flow continuously and at a steady rate in close timing. The example of this is Firewire. The IEEE 1394 define it with high performance serial bus. So this is isochronous transmission mode. Next is type of communication channel. There are three types: simplex, full-duplex, and half-duplex. So in simplex, here the mechanism can only transfer data in a single direction. For example, like in a radio broadcast, it means it is sending the signal from transmitter to receiver only. In full-duplex, the mechanism can transfer data in both directions simultaneously. For example, voice call, the data is transferring from the sender to receiver as well from the receiver to the sender. Here in half-duplex, the mechanism is a shared mechanism which transmits data in a both direction but not simultaneously. It means first of all, like in a walkie-talkie, the first one will speak, it sends the message sent from sender to receiver. After that, the receiver will send the message to the sender. When one will complete the communication, then another will start. So these are the type of communication channel. So this is all about transmission mode. Thank you.